friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Tom from Tom and Jerry, and don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half. We're going to step slightly over more toward the left because we want to leave enough room on the right for that tail extending out. So coming across for the nose, we're going to curve this around, pulling that over on the right, creating a nice big arch line. Let's start on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this line around and out. And then we will do the exact same thing on the right, curving this over and through, just making sure we join those together in the center. Let's add in our highlight. On the top, a sideways oval. And now we'll just color in the nose black. Let's continue to draw the rest of the mouth, stepping over a nice big arch line underneath. And then for the tongue, we will just curve that across. Let's step up now. We're going to leave a gap coming over on a diagonal for that cheek, curving this around and out. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Let's close this off on the top on either side, arching that line over. And then we'll close this off underneath for that chin. Now let's draw on the whiskers here. So on the top, we're just going to curve this line out and across. Let's step in towards the middle, replicating that, extending this further out, making this longer. And then we'll do one more underneath, finishing those off. Let's add in the eyes now. So leaving a gap from the center, let's step over. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this around and then down. We'll leave an even amount of space on the right-hand side, just replicating that, pulling that back down. Now for the eyeball, we're going to step down. We're going to curve this around, pulling that through on the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Moving in for the pupil, leaving a small gap. We're just going to curve this back, around, and down on both sides. On the top, let's draw in a nice big oval for that highlight. And then now we can just color in the rest of that pupil black. Now coming in towards the middle from both sides, let's arch this around and down, leaving a gap right in the center. And then we're going to draw in a nice big arch line right in the middle. Let's draw in our eyebrows. So on the left-hand side, curving this out, pulling that back in. We'll replicate this on the right-hand side as well. Now from here, again, curving this out slightly, pulling this back over and through towards that inside corner. Now let's come down. For the chin, we're just going to curve this line out on both sides towards that first whisker that we've drawn there. We're going to curve the fur out on the side, pulling that back in. We're going to replicate that again in the middle. We're going to make this one slightly thicker as we pull that up. Now again, one more time, making this slightly smaller, curving that in. Let's come up, closing off the rest of the head. So we're going to curve this line up towards the eyebrow on either side. Let's curve this line out, pulling that back in. These are just going to be some small little hairs that we see inside the ear. We'll start in the middle again, curving this out, pulling that back down. And now let's curve this in. So we're going to arch this into the middle on both sides, and we're just going to leave a gap right in the center for some more hair on the top. From the side here, we're going to curve this out, pulling this back down and through towards the center. We'll step up, curving this out, again even further, and then arching this back down, closing that off. Let's just frame in the ear now. So coming out on the top, we're going to curve this over to the side of our page. We want to extend this just slightly past the hair on the cheek. Now that we've drawn that from that point, we're going to dip this line in, pulling this back out, making this wider at the base, tucking that into that corner. And then now on top, just dragging this down towards that corner where the hair is there, finishing that off. Let's come down for the body. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, tucking that out, pulling that back in, because this is going to frame in our leg too. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, framing that up at the same height, pulling that down and in. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's move up right in the middle of the body here. We're going to curve this around, down, tucking that back into the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving this out, down, blending that together in the center. Let's draw on the legs. So leaving a gap from the middle, we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming out, and we're just going to end those as best as we can at the same height as the line on the outside. Let's frame in the foot. So we're going to drag this out, pulling this over, tucking that back in for that first toe. Now in the center, replicating that again, pulling that out. And then one more time, just curving this around and down. Now let's finish this off. So we're just gonna curve this in towards our ankle there. Let's separate the ankle from the foot. We're just gonna draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way across. Making sure that connects. Now for the arms. So stepping down on this line, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. We're going to step up. We're going to round the shoulder out slightly and then pulling that through on a diagonal, ending that at the same width. Let's draw on the thumb here now. So we're going to curve this out, tucking that back in. Basically just rounding that out. Now for that first finger, we're going to round at the top, curving this down, pulling that over and back in. In the center, again, curving this around and through. And then for that pinky, just curving this over and down. Now let's draw in a zigzag pattern as we move all the way across. And then lastly, just the tail. So we've left a little bit more space on the right. So coming down, we're going to curve this line down, up and over. And now from this point, tucking this down and back up on the side. And then again, just drawing in a zigzag pattern as we come across. And that is it. That's how you draw Tom from Tom and Jerry. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.